Your autoresponder is the heart of your business. It allows you to set up automatic sales funnels that will trickle in 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. In a way, your autoresponder is a set-it-and-forget-it part of your business. It's designed to allow you to automatically deliver content to your subscribers, meaning you can build a relationship, promote products, and gain new clients while you spend time doing other things. If you do it right, you can use the same autoresponder for years and just keep adding to it as time goes on. That said, I don't think it needs to be perfect. You can always tweak it later if it seems a lot of people are unsubscribing, don't like your content, you aren't getting any sales, and so on. As far as setting up the autoresponder is concerned, the very first thing that you need to do is to create a list. Each service is a little different, so the best thing that I can do is point you towards their training videos. They'll show you how to create a list, how to create opt-in forms, add the HTML code to your website, and a whole lot more. If you just don't have the time to learn, you can choose to hire someone on Fiverr or Elance to do it for you, but I recommend doing it a few times yourself just so you know how it works. As you set everything up, here are a few key things to keep in mind. Your list name and details should make it easy for yourself and subscribers to know what niche, product, information, and so on it's all about. Your thank you page should be the download page that you created for your free offer. There are two kinds of emails, broadcasts and follow-ups. Ignore broadcasts right now because follow-ups are the automatic emails sent to your subscribers. Your very first follow-up should have a link to the free offer download page, just in case they didn't get to see it right away, want to see it again, and so on. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to add follow-up autoresponder emails that are going to go out automatically over time. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but please remember that the entire reason you're building a list is to build a relationship. Just like getting to know a friend online, the best way to build a relationship is constant contact. I recommend sending emails in 1 to 3 day intervals. If you wait any longer than 3 days, people will start to forget you. But don't send one every single day because then they'll see you as a spammer. The most important thing is to keep adding value with every email. Give tips, tricks, free reports, links to great videos, etc., etc. You want them to feel like they're getting the better end of the deal here. Just make sure you don't forget to promote products and services at the same time. This is a business after all. You're in it to make money, not just out of the goodness of your heart. If there is a good product or service you can promote as an affiliate, then do it. Don't think of it as taking the person's money. Think of it as you're showing them a possible solution to fix the problem that they have. If I'm 50 pounds overweight and really struggling with it, and you know how to help me but don't even give me the chance to check it out, then you are wrong. Help people to solve their problems and they'll help you back. A lot of people will stop right there and call it good, but here's the thing. Since you really need to know your customers to offer them the best solutions, there are things that you can do to learn more about what they need. Now, here are a few ideas. Create surveys with tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Drive and send the links to your subscribers. Include questions in emails like, what can I do to help you with whatever their problem is? Offer a phone number. A lot of people don't do this, but it is quite important. It does build credibility. And this could be your cell phone, it could be a Google Voice number, or whatever else you want. That way, if people want to call you and ask questions or give you comments, then they can reach you. And connect with other leaders in your industry, ask them for guidance, and see what you can do to mutually help each other. You know, unlike most offline industries, the online world isn't all about competition. Just because someone buys your weight loss product doesn't mean they won't buy from someone else, and the converse is also true. In fact, that's why I generally recommend getting into the bigger, desperate markets. not only do people really want help with their problems, but they're also usually willing to spend money on multiple products or services. Anyways, now that you've got your autoresponder set up, we're almost done, and it's time to set up your squeeze page. And we'll cover that in the next video.